Hey, thanks for tuning in to Fido Beto Fishing. I'm out here at the Spillway again today trying to catch a beast. But first I want to say thank you to everybody that's watched and commented and sent me emails about the last video, the 100-pound day with Mikey Balls, where I caught my 10-pounder finally. I want to say thanks to everybody. The support from that video has just been so incredible. Everybody that's commented, everybody that's emailed me, really, I mean, the community just kind of really poured out, and especially one particular person named Louis Klinsky ULTRABASS sent me a package in the mail congratulating me for catching that 10-pounder, which is where I got this awesome hat. This vintage 80s trucker's hat. The name says it all. He's got a channel, but he's only got one video on it that he posted about a year ago. So he's not trying to plug a channel or anything, just a genuinely nice thing to do. Sent me a package. Louis, man, I can't thank you enough. Now, some of you may know his brother, Bass Blaster 3000. If you don't know him, check him out. I've been watching his videos a long time, and he is a Florida bass fisherman. A lot of his stuff is fishing the bank, you know, kind of like I do. But this dude has the coolest style. His videos are just super fun to watch. Check him out, Bass Blaster 3000. But that's not all Louis sent me. Let me show you what else. The dude sent me lures. And these are Megabass lures, man. These are expensive lures. Here's the first one. This is a Megabass eel. I've never seen a bait like that in my life. Check it out. Can't wait to try that one out. But the one I'm even more excited about, this is also Megabass. This is called a Kanata jerkbait. The reason I'm excited about this is because I like to throw jerkbaits, and you can see some videos of me throwing jerkbaits, but it's a really finesse technique, you know, and you catch a lot of small fish on jerkbait, so I have a hard time just really getting excited to throw them a lot. But this jerkbait is massive. This thing's huge. So this is a power jerkbait. I'm gonna be able to bomb this thing all the way across the canal, and this is a huge bait, so I'm definitely gonna be throwing this thing a lot. I'm gonna throw this a whole day today. I hope I catch a 10-pounder today, man. And you know what? Even though I've caught that 10-pounder now, the hunt does not stop, because it's extremely important to me that I also catch a 10-pounder from the bank, because that's really, you know, the heart and soul of my channel is bank fishing. So the hunt is still on, so let's go try. All right, here goes the Kanata jerkbait. See what this bad boy looks like. Oh yeah, that's got a great swim. Gold flash just like a shiner. Man, oh man, this thing's gonna get killed. There's one. Feels like a good one. I say that every time though. Yeah, nice little chunker. Smash that jerkbait. And the fish in here are so strong. So they just sit in here and just chow down. Oh, whoa, bigger than I even thought. All right. Whoa, don't go in the pipe. Jerkbait eating fish right there. Alright, first fish on the jerkbait. Chunker. Yeah, buddy. See ya. Alright, Lewis, this bait works. Alright, let's see if it's anybody's buoys. Lewis, I do not want to lose this thing on these buoys. What the heck, dude? Come on, man. What in the world? It's right there. Man, I don't want to go in here, but I'm going to. I'm not going to lose this lure right here. 2 inches from the bank. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, Lewis. Lure is stuck. It's only about 3 feet off the bank, so you know what? I'm going to go in for it. Dude. There are gators here, but luckily it's a really cold day and the water's really clear, so you know what? I'm just gonna take my chances. This water is ice cold. All right, Lewis.
Not happy about it. I promise you that. Oh, it broke off. Doggone. Alright. Okay. I got it, dude. I got it. How am I gonna get that up though? I'm not letting this thing go, I'll tell you that. Ah!
Lewis, thanks for the stuff, man. Thanks for the hat, thanks for the lures. I wasn't gonna lose this thing just yet. You know what, we lost a hook, but we got the lure back. That hook can be replaced. Thanks for tuning in. The hunt for 10-pounder is still on from the bank. I also have a video coming up. I'm gonna be showcasing that 10-pounder that I did catch with Mikey Balls. That's coming up too. Thanks again, guys. Thank you, Lewis. See you next time.
Mm-hmm.